Hey everyone, Tony here with Genuine Comfort. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful day today. Anyway, I want to talk about when we put in new furnaces or air conditioners, uh, consumers ask, why do I need a maintenance done when the furnace is brand new or the air conditioner? And the simple answer is this: when you buy a new car, you have to get it maintained, change your oil, filter, things like that inside your car for those warranties to even work and comply. Otherwise, if you don't do that, engine goes out because you didn't change your oil, they're not going to warranty anything on that car. Same with furnaces. So when you put in a new furnace or a new air conditioner, you do want to stay on a maintenance plan to protect you on those warranties. Yes, the furnace has a 10-year parts warranty, but if they can prove that you did not maintain that properly, then which means having receipts or a maintenance record of who you're with, then they're not going to warranty those components. So please be careful on that. It's great to always have a maintenance plan no matter who you're with, making sure that your furnace is maintained and as well as your air conditioner. So, again, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.